Hi guys, welcome. This is Kathy from Tasty Itinerary, and I'm going to show you around our Sea Terrace XL cabin on the Scarlet Lady. Let's go. As we enter the cabin, we have this really nice entryway. These are your makeup room or do not disturb buttons, which is nice. It's your lights for the entire room, although you can control them from the tablet. The air conditioning, also something else you can control from the tablet. And the XL cabin comes with a bigger bathroom. If you look up the Sea Terrace cabins, the regular balcony cabins, they have a much smaller bathroom. The XL comes with a bigger bathroom that has a separate shower and a separate toilet. The shower is actually really big, and so if you're tall, you're gonna want to book this room. It has a rain shower and then the wand. This rain shower is probably one of the best. Usually we're not fans, but I'll say that this is one of the best rain showers that we have had in any room, to be honest. These are the toiletries. I still bring my own since I have sensitive skin. My husband uses those. And then the toilet. The only thing I do not like about the bathroom is that there's no door. There's no curtain. Keep that in mind as you're booking this and with who you're sharing it with. We have a full-length mirror right here at the entrance. You have some pegs here to hang things up. We added our own magnetic hooks, which we've been using to dry things. And then you come into the cabin and you have this nice little vanity area. You get, one of my favorite things that they do is that they do give you water for your room, and you can ask them for one sparkling and one still, or both still, but I love that they do give you water to have in your room, and you don't have to buy bottled water. Actually, there's no bottled water on the ship. They do recommend that you bring a refillable water bottle, and they do have water stations throughout the ship, so that's cool. You do have a mini fridge here where you can put in drinks or to-go boxes that you can get of food that you can get at the galley or at the dock house. This is the closet space. So there is plenty of hangers and shelving for 2 people. I think more than that, you'll have to get creative. So one of my favorite parts, their tablet. I mean, on this tablet, you can literally control everything from the lights, the TV, the curtains. Voila. And here we go. You can request things from fresh towels to getting the cabin clean, water. You have entertainment. All these movies are included. So you have the room controls from the air conditioning, the lights, and the services. So yes, you can do everything from this tablet. Okay, so apart from the tablet, right beneath it, you have all these ports. You have one US electrical outlet, one European. You have 2 USBs and then another US outlet, which we're using for extra plugs. As you can see, I think we have enough USB outlets in this cabin, but we definitely needed USB-C, so that's why we have this. And then you have 2 more USB-Cs here with another US electrical port. You can control the lights of the room here on the right side of bed. And then on this side, you also have 2 more USB outlets and an electrical port. So in reality, you do not need to bring extra power outlet. There are enough USB-A ports in the cabin, but if you have USB-C items to plug in, we recommend bringing an extender. So the bedroom is spacious, and we only have this little ottoman. We don't have a chair like I have seen in other videos and pictures. So one of the biggest things that I thought that I would actually hate was this bed. I wasn't sure if I was going to be comfortable, but while it is slightly firm, and I'm not usually one for firm beds, I always ask for a mattress topper. This bed has been super comfortable and I have slept like a baby almost every night. So yeah, that's something that I was really surprised by, so I'm so happy that, you know, it was comfortable and not something that I'd hate. Let's check out one of my favorite parts. I mean, there's a number of reasons why I wanted to cruise on Virgin Voyages. One of the top ones was the balcony. I actually had originally booked a balcony because they assign your cabin when you book. You don't get to choose it, although you can call in and have them change it. And when they first assigned the cabin number, it was one that had a red chair. It's like one of those egg chairs. Not all cabins come with a hammock in the balcony. You should know that, especially the ones that are forward cabins. A few of the XL cabins do not have a hammock. So just make sure to do a quick search on YouTube or even call in and ask. Let's check out this balcony. I mean, it is a really nice sized balcony cabin. And this is the hammock. And for anyone who is afraid, that is really secure up there. Get that view today, nice clear skies as we head to Bimini, Bahamas. So this hammock is one of the nicest features on Virgin and worth getting a balcony for. They are so comfortable. We've been in this cabin for a few days now. We only have 2 days left. This was a first impression. But, it has like an IKEA style vibe to it. At first we were like, we're at college and hanging out in our dorm room. But I'm sure this is much nicer than most dorm rooms. But that's how kind of we felt, because the rest of the ship is like so nice. And not that this isn't nice. This is nice. It's clean. It's basic. It's all you need to have a comfortable stay, to be honest. But they could step it up a notch. I mean, I'm not sure what's coming for the newer ships. The brand new ships are being built. We were comfortable in this cabin, and honestly, the value what we paid for this cabin for our entire cruise and the value that the ship offers, I mean, it was incredible. So I'm not gonna complain. I highly do recommend checking it out. I do like the spaciousness of the XL. So if you do want a little bit of extra space, and if you're tall, you're gonna want that bigger bathroom and that bigger shower. The Scarlet Lady is their first cruise ship, and I think it's about 4 years old. It's gonna be 5 years old. And we can see that the cabin needs a little bit of TLC, and that is something that I'm sure is gonna come with the next refurbishment. But it didn't deter from us having a nice stay. We would absolutely book this cabin again. I'd recommend it. So that concludes our tour of the Sea Terrace XL 12322A, and I hope you found it helpful. You can find more info on tastyitinerary.com. You can join my Facebook group, Tasty Cruises.